I've never just done like a talking head video here before, so here I am. My name's Dylan. I'm a portrait artist. I'm originally from Australia, live in Germany now. 3 little kids. I'm really into ink making. You can see some jars of homemade ink behind me, and I love using them to create portraits. And I'm also really into calligraphy, drawing. I like making zines. I like all sorts of stuff. If there's anything you would like to know from me, or any suggestions you have, if there's anyone you'd really love to see me draw, then let me know, because I'd really love to build this up in a way that we're able to engage with each other a lot, doing stuff for people that people appreciate and enjoy. It's something that I really like to do, and to be able to use these drawing skills, which I've been practicing the past years, in a way that brings joy to people is really the best thing that can happen, really. Let me know if you enjoy my work and if there's something you'd like to see from me. And this whole YouTube adventure is inspired by my sister. Check out her channel. The link is in the description. She's like, you should be on YouTube. You should be doing stuff on YouTube because you're creating all the time anyway. So I'm really wondering, how can I implement my process and do things in a cool way, which is engaging and helpful and informative and valuable for you, and to cherish your attention that you're choosing to share with me. So if there's anything you'd like to see from me, then please just let me know. I'm into all sorts of different mediums. My heart really beats strongly for natural inks and being connected to nature. But I also do digital. I've spent some time working in oil over the years, watercolor, pen and pencil, all sorts of stuff. I basically just really enjoy the experience of learning to look, being attentive, and converting that into portraiture. I think that's all I have to say for now. If you'd enjoyed this little introductory chat, then please make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribing already. Hit the like, leave me a little comment, because it's really nice to be able to engage and interact with you like this. If you would like to spend some time with me real time, face to face, and chat, I host live drawing sessions every Tuesday, and you're welcome to come and join us, and we can sketch together and we can chat together. It's really lovely to be able to connect and actually talk to people, because it's all about connection, really. My connection to the subject as I'm drawing, connecting to you, the viewer, connecting to the work, and us connecting to each other. So there's something that I see as the goal of all of my work and interaction and everything that I'm putting out there in the world. It's about connecting. So I'd really love to connect to you and look forward to sharing more with you. So hit like, comment, subscribe, and the little notification bell, and whenever I have something to share with you, then you'll be informed. Thank you very much. You'll be seeing me soon, and maybe I'll see you too if you come to one of my Zoom sessions.